Okay, happy Monday. We are gonna be touring some properties. Not sure how many I'll get in today. It's a little bit later in the afternoon. I had some other things I had to take care of, but we're gonna check in on some properties. So we are at our Inglewood project right now. I think you can remember this door. It's got the Tudor brick. I'll go back to the curb so you can see. So this one is just a couple blocks away from a pretty popular lake connected to the chain of lakes in Minneapolis. It's a great location, especially when it's great weather like this. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the house. There are some pretty specific things that need to be done in this house before we can start construction. So I'll take you through. So this house we've owned for about 6 or 7 weeks now. So this is always the hardest part of the process, kind of just getting everything up and going. So you can see here, those are plumbing materials. Plumbing's getting worked on soon here. So here's our kitchen demo. So we're gonna be taking out this wall to backing it, cutting it back to make the kitchen feel a little bit bigger. This is the part where the neighbors really love everything we do too. All the messy parts. So if you walk out to the back, you can see washer and water heater. Should we use what that is? So I'm back inside here. So every week I walk through the properties, kind of get a feel of where we're at as far as schedule goes, see what's going on as far as the amount of work that's been done. We always keep calendars of every project, so we kind of have a way to stay on course. Obviously, sometimes that gets messed up. You can see in this bathroom here, everything's been gutted. That spray foam insulation over there in the walls, so that'll be obviously where the tub goes. So this is one of the other bathrooms. So this house, we are adding master suite in upstairs. That doesn't look good. So all of the demo up here is just the paneling that was removed. So this is the old insulation. It's really hot up here too. So we'll be getting rid of this. So this is about where we expected this house to be at this point. It's a lot of work we actually had to do in the basement. So I will walk you through there too. And again, it's not going to be the pretty part of the house at this point. So this basement, I don't know if you guys remember when I walked through it before, it actually was all white, a lot of paneling, a lot of really broken up rooms. So what you're seeing now is we installed drain tile. So we demoed everything out of the basement, and then we dug a trench all the way around. You can see that new concrete, and that's where the drain tile goes, and then this material on the walls is what we do. We've got the egress window in down here, so that's great. We've got timber down, or lumber down here, so that means they've started to frame. And we've got washer dryer mark down here. So this whole process of just doing this basement in this house took about 3 to 4 weeks. And all of our underground plumbing has been done as well. So you can see we've got this new concrete poured. That means the plumber was in here, got to run all his work. And then that's the new sump pump over there in the sump pump basket. So this is the part of the job where it's not very pretty, but it's so critical to how the house is going to function and turn out and provide for the family who are people who are going to live here in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off on this project. Hopefully we'll have some updates on this one soon. It's on the list for materials as far as design goes. So I'm gonna start measuring kitchen right here. Start doing